Good Friday morning, and thanks for checking out your Mr. Quik forecast. We have drier conditions working in today, and we'll see dry weather for the first half of the weekend, and then we'll be working in a chance for some rain and maybe a few thunderstorms on Sunday. And as we go into early next week, the warm temperatures are going to continue, so we'll see warm temperatures this weekend through the first part of next week. There could be some changes later next week. Again, this morning we're looking at a few sprinkles in a few locations out there, but most areas are seeing drier weather working in. Temperatures in the upper 40s this morning. We'll see a high today reaching around 61 degrees this afternoon. We'll see that plenty of cloud cover, but there should be a few peaks of sun as we go into the afternoon. Might be a sprinkle, but we should turn mainly dry. Tomorrow looks to be really about the best day in this forecast. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds, especially more sun in the afternoon with temperatures getting in the upper 60s, close to 70 degrees. Very, very pleasant for tomorrow. A great day to make some outdoor plans. And then as we go into Sunday, there is that chance for rain and a few thunderstorms. There could be a stronger storm even Sunday afternoon. So let's take a look at the forecast radar as we'll start to work in Sunday morning. But I think especially Sunday afternoon, evening, we'll see a better chance for scattered showers across the area. And again, there could be a few thunderstorms, gusty winds possible with a few of these thunderstorms out there on Sunday, so just be weather aware. And as we go into early next week, rain will be diminishing Monday, mainly to our south. Highs will be still in the lower 70s Monday, still close to 70 Tuesday. And then we'll start to see some cooler temperatures by Wednesday ahead of a developing system, which will bring another chance for some rain and some gusty winds as we go into Thursday of next week. That's all I have for your update today. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you guys have a great weekend and enjoy the warm temperatures.